Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube error loading tap to retry problem in YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Step 2. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on search. Search YouTube application. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection is properly connected or stable connection. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your YouTube app. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube error loading tap to retry problem fixed.